Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the euro currency again. So finally, as you can see, the breakout has followed on euro currency as well, because a lot of different assets across the board on the forex market, on the commodities as well. So all of them were pointed on some pressure on the United States dollar, because lots of different assets has shown last week the rally against the United States dollar. So on the forex, it mostly was the New Zealand dollar. If you remember, we have talked about the reverse head and shoulders. It was first among the others who has shown that has shown the upward direction. It's also a strong rally has followed on the gold market as well, and other currencies. But on the euro currency, euro has stumbled around the resistance and is calling inside of this triangle. But our conclusion was made that still some advantage stands in favor of the bulls right now. And its breakout probably should happen, and indeed it has followed just in the beginning of this week. What we have, market stands in very nicely looking ABCD pattern up. So as AB leg stands rather strong, so you can see mostly tail closing here as fast, some real bullish pressure exists here, some kind of thrusting action. Right now again, so you can see, yes, there's also as fast acceleration. Market has moved above the COP target without no respect. So it means that the next destination point stands at the OP 2530 approximately. This also will be very close to the daily overbought. That is our first target that we'll be watching for. Yes, we have another target. So we have talked about the possible butterfly here with the target around 126 and even higher. But guys, all these targets stands beyond the daily overbought, and that's why it's not really very interesting right now, because this is a bit more extended in time. What is really interesting in the current week and a few trading sessions, this is OP target that we have around 2529, 2530 area. So that's what we'll be watching for. It means that we need to take a position in this direction, so somehow possess ourselves with a possible upward continuation. For that purpose, we could use the 4-hour time frame chart. Here we also have some patterns that could help us. So first of all, we have inner ABCD pattern. Market by the single action already has broken through COP without no respect. OP target. Usually when the market shows this kind of acceleration, it means that there's really very high chance the market will hit the XOP. It's interesting that this XOP coincides with the daily OP. It stands 2525. On daily we have 125.30. So mostly they stand in the same area. Right now the current pause in upward direction, as you can see, was triggered by the completion of 127 extension of the butterfly. Here, guys, we have minor butterfly pattern is forming, and market has reached the 127 extension. So this minor retracement is forming right now. Butterflies also will finalize this ABCD, large daily ABCD pattern at the same area, 125.19. This is the butterfly 1618 extension. It means that here market could show meaningful retracement. In the current situation, guys, chances that minor retracement will be formed. Although we have very attractive confidence support around 123.45 or even 50 area, it looks attractive because indeed it's a strong level and very good area for trying to take the position. But taking in consideration the speed, the acceleration of the market that actually has passed for all targets on the 4-hour time frame chart, taking in consideration that major fib level already has been broken and market is not at the overbought on a daily, it's more probable this will be just minor reaction here. So maybe the 3-8 retracement is possible. This in turn, if of course this will be any retracement, because market really could continue higher, but we do not know that. But if this will happen, we will be watching for first fib level. It's around 123.94. It's 124 area approximately. So also will be retesting this top. If indeed this retracement will start, here we could get a kind of the bread and butter trade. This will be a very good chance to take the position. So for example, probably you already see it by yourself. If we'll plant here in the 3x3, you can see this very good for a stop. This will be 3 closing below the 3x3 market will hit this fib support, or maybe even more closing if retracement will be gradual. It's a kind of maybe even EBCD pattern. This could be a look-alike pattern, but anyway, if market somehow will reach this area, the one condition that market should keep, it should be not really collapse. We do not want to see this kind of the retracement here. We want to see gradual retracement right to this area. So if this will happen, this will be a very good opportunity to scale in or to take the position, because that will simultaneously will be the Jordan Apple directional, spread by the buy. And second, when you have on your back this, such sort of the actions very fast, and you have clear target, it will be a very good chance trying to take the long position. So that's what we see right now on the euro currency.